When your Dell docking station shows a blinking white light, it's trying to tell you something specific is wrong. This indicator points to four main types of problems that we can systematically address. The blinking white light typically indicates four specific issues: power delivery problems, connection failures, firmware conflicts, or display detection errors. Each has distinct solutions. The most common issue is power delivery. Your docking station needs adequate wattage to function properly, typically between 130 and 180 watts. Using an underpowered adapter is the leading cause of connection failures. Connection problems often stem from faulty cables or damaged ports. USB-C and Thunderbolt cables must support both data and power delivery. Not all cables are created equal. Finally, firmware and driver conflicts can cause persistent connection issues. Dell Command Update is your primary tool for keeping everything current and compatible. These basic fixes resolve the majority of blinking white light issues. Start with power verification, then check connections, and finally update your drivers and firmware for optimal performance. When basic fixes don't resolve the blinking white light, advanced display troubleshooting becomes necessary. The systematic approach involves isolating display connection issues. First, disconnect all displays from your docking station. This clears any conflicting display detection signals that may be causing the white light to blink. Next, restart the docking station by unplugging its power adapter for 10 seconds, then reconnecting it. This resets the dock's internal display detection system. Finally, reconnect your displays one at a time, waiting for each to be detected before connecting the next. This methodical approach identifies which display may be causing detection conflicts. Additionally, verify that each monitor is powered on and set to the correct input source. Many display issues stem from monitors being set to the wrong input rather than dock problems. Firmware conflicts are another common cause of docking station issues. Dell provides a dedicated firmware update utility to resolve these problems. Now let's focus on prevention strategies to avoid future docking station issues. Proactive maintenance is key to reliable operation. Prevention begins with establishing a quarterly firmware update schedule. Regular updates address compatibility issues and improve stability before problems occur. Proper ventilation around your docking station prevents overheating, which can cause connection instability and the blinking white light indicator. Using surge protectors safeguards your docking station from power fluctuations that can damage internal components and cause connectivity issues. Establish regular cable inspection schedules to identify wear, damage, or loose connections before they cause problems. Replace cables showing signs of wear immediately. Industry data reveals a critical insight about docking station reliability that guides our troubleshooting priorities. 78% of all docking station issues stem from power delivery problems. This statistic emphasizes why consistent power management and using proper power adapters is crucial for reliable operation. This data reinforces the importance of using Dell-certified power adapters, maintaining proper power connections, and implementing the prevention strategies we've discussed to ensure reliable docking station performance.